If you're born in the following period, your zodiac is a horse, and this year Tai Shui is helping you a lot. And together you have a really lucky start this year. We call the Teen Guy. That start is really good for you to solve the issue. Let's say you have a long-term conflict, or you have some issue with your marriage, or some issue with your family, or friends and partner. This year is a good year for you to find a solution to fix it, and this year is also good for your business development, good for your career too. So don't waste the good timing, treasure it. And this year you have a 4 unlucky start, but don't worry, because you have a really good Teen Guy and Tai Shui is helping you, so that won't be any like a big issue. But just you need to pay attention for those like a minor health issue, minor accident. Be careful for that one. And when you invest, you need to be careful, because there's a lot of investment trap over there. Don't lose the money. And be careful for the following 3 months. June, August, and December is not really good. February, July and October are relatively better. For more detail, you can go to my website to download the free Feng Shui guide for this year. It's totally free of charge. Just search my name, Master Alexi, you will find. And thanks for watching. Good luck.